Now we get to learn how to add. To first understand adding, we must remember one of the definitions. In my previous video, I said that adding is gathering together. 3 cows plus 5 cows, that's 8 cows. But as with every other operation in math, it's not just that simple. Adding could be something else, moving on the number line. When you have a number line present, you can see the representation of addition. Take 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. It's 8. Once you do this, though, things can get crazy because the number line has negatives. Wait, can you have negative cows? Well, I guess it might be a freezer full of meat.
Can you get negative girlfriends?
No, just negative boyfriends. Please forgive them, for they know not what they do.
So if we wrestle where concrete and abstract collide, this is going to be one of those battlegrounds you're going to have to be ready to navigate. Negatives mostly came about when we were dealing with inventories and currencies and economic realities. Whatever helps you understand it, and more importantly, articulate it to your children, use that. So what about negative 3 plus 5? Let's use the number line. Negative 3 plus 5. It's going to be 2. What if they were both negative? Negative 3 plus negative 5. In many countries, this could be read as minus 3 plus minus 5. And hearing it may reveal the accurate result. We're gathering negatives, or we're gathering minuses. But let's go back to the number line. Well, we're going to need another definition. What does negative even mean? Well, it can mean opposite, so let's work with that definition. Negative 3 plus negative 5. It's negative 8. So we can use moving on the number line as a definition of addition. But what if we're still struggling with this? This is where manipulatives or tactile stuff can come in. If manipulatives are used, we have to understand the concept of zero.
You ever dig a hole? The sand that comes out of the hole, that's a positive. The hole is a negative.
Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. 2,000 plus negative 2,000 is 0. Dig the hole, fill it back up. If you can understand that, then you can understand manipulatives. Positive, negative. We're just gathering together. 3 plus 5, both positive, 8. Negative 3 plus 5. Let's look for the zeros. That leaves us with 2. 3 plus negative 5. Again, let's look for the zeros. Negative 2. And negative 3 plus negative 5. Both negative, negative 8. Once we have found the mechanism that we're going to use for addition, gathering, the number line, manipulatives, it's time to master the facts. And mastery is more than just understanding the concept. It's going to require a lot of practice. So you may have flashcards, worksheets, a million examples. When it comes to mastering math facts, I lean toward a neurolinguistic type of approach. Say the entire math sentence. And yes, it's called a math sentence. When you show this card and your child says 8, gently nudge to say the entire sentence. 3 plus 5 is 8. Get into that habit until your child is accurately and confidently saying entire math sentences. And remember to celebrate correct work. Positive feelings must be associated with practice. And don't practice until you get it right. Practice until you cannot get it wrong. Be patient and be impressed.